Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Axelbuzz Testing. In this video, we are going to see API testing. This is table of content. What is API testing? Why we do API testing? And tools we are going to learn, that is SOAP UI and Postman. So let's get started. What is API testing? API testing is a type of software testing that analyzes an application program interface to verify it fulfills its expected functionality, security, and performance and reliability. The tests are performed either directly on the API or as a part of integration testing. What we exactly check in API testing? We check data security, response time, duplicate or missing functionality, authorization checks, multi-threaded issues, security and performance issues, error codes of API returns, and reliability issues. We are going to see few of these things in this video. So here's are the tools which we can learn here in this video. First one is SOAP UI and second one is Postman. Both can be used to handle SOAP and REST requests. There are two types of services, SOAP services and REST services. SOAP service means simple object access protocol. Its format is envelope, header, and body. REST request. REST request means representational state transfer protocol. Its format is base URL, resource, and query parameters. Let's learn more with the help of Postman tool. So let's get started.
Postman tool, you can simply download this from your OS as per your OS. So let's create workspace here. Okay, it is for personal use. Create workspace. Okay, so this is from here you can create new collection, or from here you can create new collection. So then we'll create new collection. Rest. Okay. Then you have to add a request. Go here reqres.in. Here you will get all samples of APIs. So we'll list down our users. We'll use this API, sample API. Copy it. And paste here. Okay, see, you can see pages, value, description, sent. You'll be able to see here. You'll be able to see all the values which that API contains. So this is our first request. We'll rename it. From here we can rename list of users. Okay, every time you have to save it. Then we'll create another request. Add request. This time we'll create for post. Post means create. We'll go here, create API. Copy this link. Paste here. Then you have to give body also because you are creating the user. So here body, raw, and JSON format you have. So here you have to select JSON. This body you have to copy paste and paste it here. So means you are creating new user We'll say Amit. Amit is new user here. We are creating. Send. So this is new user created. This has taken 363 milliseconds to give your response. So this is it. We have to save this. We have to save. Then it will change to post. Okay. Here we'll edit and give create request. Save it again. Okay. So one more will create. Now we'll create add request. Now we'll create for put. Put means update the user. Whatever users we have, we can update. Here you go, update, put. Check it out. This is very simple. And if you try 1 or 2 times, you'll understand all the workflow. Then again body raw because you want to update, right? So JSON and what you have to update, copy that step, like you have to update Amit user we made, right? So that was leader. So now it is, we are changing its job and send it. So this has been updated. 313 milliseconds it has been taken. So this is your new request. Update. Save it. So like this you can create the request in Postman. You can create test suite here. Click on test. Here are some snippets. Here are some snippets available, so you can take one of them. Okay, so here 201 is created. So here it will get fail because it is asking for 200. Let's see. So we go test result. See, this is fail because already it is say 201. Then like this you can create so many test cases. So let's take one more. Let's take one more test case. Response time is less than 200. So here it is 200, it is showing, but we got our response in 373 milliseconds. So let's test this. See, again it is got fail. One more time will change it. It is 33 seconds, 36 seconds, sorry, it is seconds. So we'll write 38 seconds, milliseconds. Let's check it. So see, response time is less than 200 milliseconds. This test case got pass. So like that you can write n number of cases by using these snippets. You don't need to write any code. You have to just check the validations here. In Postman. So if you like the video, please like and share our YouTube channel and our videos to everybody. And thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in next video.